What's up? Welcome to Nature Drives, where you drive around with me because you accidentally clicked on this video for some reason. I don't know, maybe you're trying to find someone else, but maybe you weren't. Who knows? Anyway, I'm Sabrina, and this is my YouTube channel, and I decided, hey, I got a phone, I'm in this beautiful park, let's just make a damn video. Alright, this is the part where I discover Lake 34. I've never been to this side of the park before, but it was really fun. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I'm recording. It was so beautiful, except as you're about to see, there were fishermen and they were not happy to be in this video. They're like, what the hell is this girl doing? But you know what? Who cares? I don't. So this is where I discover, obviously we just saw that sign, Lake 35. If you have ever been on Highway 40 and you're going east and you go past Two Rivers Church and like the Gold's Gym or whatever, you go past that, you can actually see it from the highway. And I was so happy because I was like, I've always wanted to go to that lake, and then I found it. So there you go. And that's it, folks. Who the hell am I? Anyway, yeah, so I enjoyed making this video, but you should stop watching and you should go see it for yourself because it's actually pretty cool. So, see you in the next video.